Hello, YouTube. Today we are going to eat frozen chicken fritters that we bought from Max in Winter Haven. I had these defrost. What I did notice online is that a lot of people make sandwiches with this, but today we're not going to make sandwiches. We are going to have Publix potato salad, leftover macaroni and cheese, egg salad. Katrina sent us this corn muffin bread. I'm going to try to make that from Food Lion. And of course, our Food Lion gravy, country gravy mix. We're going to be pouring over that. The reason we're not going to do stuffing or anything else with it is because we are going to have the corn muffins with it. So that's going to take the place of any whatever. Don't want to overdo it. Trying to stick with this part here. This is going to be cooked in a Ninja air fryer as well. So let's get some of this stuff started. Let's start off with the cornbread, and then we'll make our way to the gravy. And let me see if I can do this right. It's asking to preheat the oven at 400. Got to add an egg, a third cup of milk. We use powder milk. We don't use whole regular milk because we don't drink milk like that. So we go with our powder milk. And I got to find a grease pan and then bake it. I've had corn muffin before in stores and stuff, but never had homemade. I'm not like a really big corn muffin, but you never know. Food Line surprises you, and maybe this will get me into corn muffins. All right, let's get cooking. All right, BB told me to put them in the cupcake things. So 1 egg, 1/3 cup of 2% milk. I'm not worried about that. Mix thoroughly. 400 grease, empty contents, pack container size bowl, and I'm going to add all those 3. Let's go. So guys, let me know if you've made cornbread muffins. How do you like them with butter on it? You like them more than regular muffins or biscuits? Or this is 1/3 milk. As you see, I'm very carefully measuring my stuff. And now comes the cornbread mix. Food Lion, don't let me down. This again was Katrina brought that to us. It's got a yellowy mix to it. Smells weird. All right, let me get that in there. All right, I got that all in there. Now it's time to mix her up. Ooh, looking real weird. Make sure I get everything there. So guys, you try something different. This is a different dinner meal. Again, I've never had corn fritters. Maybe I did have corn fritters. I don't know. But like I said, when I was seeing them on it, it was saying the corn fritters were used as sandwiches. So one day I will do a video making sandwiches with corn fritters. I think it's corn fritter chicken. Let me know if you guys like corn fritter chicken, and how do you make it, and what do you make it with, and do you make it homemade or do you get it frozen? Let me know in the comments. Let's see if I get this right. I might not need both pans, who knows. Almost looks like arena, like corn. Farina. Not everyone could be perfect, guys. I'm getting it in there. Doing my best. Trying something new. Oh, I might use a half of the other one. Which is good, that we'll have leftover. Because BB just went and finished all the macaroni salad that she didn't want from Publix. And then when she got the potato salad, she didn't like it. So, got the oven on 400. Try to get every good to the last drop. Very easy to mix. Alrighty. So it looks like we got 1, 2, 6, 8. 8 of these corn muffins. And I sure as the heck ain't looking out of this bowl. Alright, let's wait for the oven to go off. And then we will cook them up. Alright, I have the oven on, warming up to 400. I'm not really a country gravy person. I know BB is. For her breakfast, she has that biscuit and gravy. But I feel like having this chicken frittered, that it deserves the country gravy mix. Now it says this makes 1 cup, but if I want to make it for thicker and creamier, I'm going to use the half a cup of milk and the half a cup of water. Other than that, I can use just water and then just let it come to a boil and simmer for a minute. So we will see. First time trying Food Lion's gravy mix. Alright, let me get my measuring cup. Alright, first thing I'm going to do is that half a cup of water. Then I am going to do my half a cup of milk because I'm going to want it creamy. Alrighty. Then I'm going to get my Food Lion package. And pour it in there. Alrighty. Now, according to the package, it says you should do this first before you start it. So I'm going to shimmy it up. Alright, then let's get it up. Let's get her cooking. Got it on number 6 and waiting for it and still waiting on the up. Bought this beautiful sign here. Jose and Laura sent us that from Puerto Rico. But if you wanted to know what the kitchen hours were, those are it right there. Alrighty, I don't know. I think they'll put it on the big boy. Ooh. He got all stewy on the bottom. I could have sworn I mixed it up good. I don't know. This ain't going to come out good. This is not going to come out good. It's got chunks in it. I did stir it up like it said. I don't know. What the heck did I do wrong? Maybe I was supposed to keep stirring it? We'll see. But I'm not going to tell BB. Oh shit, you can hear me? Son of a gun. It's like the powder stood on the thing. I think that looks good. Yeah, everything's happening all at once. Maybe I was supposed to keep stirring. No, it's coming out alright. It's breaking up. All right, that is done. All right, let's get this stuff in the oven. 400 degrees. Let's do it. Let's get this in there for 12 minutes. All right. 12 minutes. Shut the stove off. Cook time. All right, and let me start getting that thing in the whatchamacallit.
375.
All right, here we go. Air frying. Yeah, I don't think I've ever had this before, unless this is country fried chicken. I don't know. But like I said, I've seen a lot of people. Smells good. I've seen a lot of people make sandwiches out of this. But I think theirs was thicker. Almost smells like chicken nuggets. So it makes you wonder why they call it fritters. I mean, you can fry them if you want to, whatever. But we are doing it in the air fryer. Ever since we got this new update on the phone, the camera's been freaking going cuckoo. Alrighty, there we go. Bottom, air fry, temperature, and I think she said 12 minutes. This is pretty easy. This seems to be a pretty easy meal to be cooking here. Not that much time being spent on it. I did let that defrost overnight. But I think I messed up because I put them back in the freezer. I should have separated. I don't know. They don't think they should stick together. But this looks like an easy meal to cook. Now let's see if I did a boo-boo. God damn, that's really thick. I think I should have left it thick. I mean thin. Let's see what it tastes like. I'll let you know right now. That's why I like brown gravy. It's nice and... Alright, it's got some chunks in it. I mean... Tastes alright. Kind of doughy. No, it tastes pretty good. That tastes pretty good. Oh, yeah. Oh, that tastes real good. Some kind of peppers or something in that. Alright. Now we just gotta wait for everything else to get done. 8 minutes left. And 10 minutes left on the other thing. Okay, ever since I cleaned that oven, no more smoke coming out. No more fire alarms being set. Ooh, those look real good. What do you think, guys? That looks real good. Alrighty, I added a little bit of butter while it's warm. And let it melt right into there while the other stuff is getting done. Ooh, everything's getting cooked. On time. Yeah, that's nice. Yep, everything's coming out perfectly. They smell good too. They look like they're nice and seasoned. It's always good to try something different. There we go. Excellent presentation. There we go. Now the taste tester.
This almost looks like grits.
I mean, I wanted it thick. I made it thick, so that's the thick version.
It's thick. You're right there. It's thick.
It's brick thick.
Almost looks like grits thick.
Next time. Katrina, sent us another one. It's Food Lion.
Oh, for the love of God. That's good. That chicken's real good. Ooh, a little spicy. Ooh.
Yeah, I mean, we got this from that Max in Winter Haven.
Yeah. Hey, you want a thick gravy, buddy? You got it.
I didn't know it was gonna be.
I guess you gotta learn how to do gravy.
Well, they said they had a thick version and then a soft version. I went for the thick. There's the presentation.
Ooh, I gotta go get something to drink.
I guess that's how they came out.
Oh, it didn't walk away.
There you have it, guys. Publix potato salad.
Okay. Stay there and don't run away.
Alrighty, so is the chicken spicy or?
Yeah, the chicken's hot.
It didn't say
A
spicy.
lot of pepper on there.
That came already pre-seasoned.
Mm-hmm. A lot of pepper over on there.
Oh yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah, it might be spicy.
Mm-hmm.
It might be hot.
There's a lot of black pepper. A lot of black pepper.
No, but that's pretty good. It is a little spicy. I'll say that much. Alrighty.
But that chicken will be good on a sandwich.
Mm-hmm. Mmm. That tastes real good. Alright, baby. Food Lion. What's that again? A corn, whatever.
Corn
Muffin.
Cornbread?
Chicken fritter. Easy cooking meal.
Uh-huh.
Until the next one, guys. See ya.